Okay, good afternoon, student. Today we will learn how to draw the scratch, how to draw the octagon in a scratch. As we know, for octagon there are how many sides? 8 sides. Okay, so today we will draw the octagon in a scratch or pictoblocks. So I am showing here in scratch. Okay, I am using the laptop, so I am showing you the octagon in a scratch. If you want, you can try on in a scratch also. You can try in a pictoblocks also. Okay, now to create this code, we have to always remember that first code is event. Go to the event and select the when flag click. What will happen when we click? It will play. Okay, so after this command, always remember to put a erase all. This code you will get in a pen. Okay, we are erasing everything. We are keeping this slate plain white. Okay, then we have to take the pen up. Now we have to pick up the pen from here. So you have to drag this and keep it over here. Okay, here. Okay. So next, go to X. Now we have to tell this sprite to go to X 0 and Y also 0. Now when we say go to X 0, 0 means it will come here. So this is the point. X 0 and Y is also 0. Here you can see the Y axis and X axis. So this is the point of the Y axis and intersection of these two is the here. So it is 0. Both the X and Y is here 0. So it will start from here. So what we have to do, we have to tell this sprite go to X 0 and Y 0. So go here and stand. Okay, next we have to give the direction from where you have to start. Now we have given a 90 degree. 90 degree means it will start from this side. Okay, so 90 degree is actually this is the 90 degree. Okay, so it will start from here. Then we have to tell we have to start actual work from here. So that's why we have to keep the pen down. So when we keep the pen down, we take this code from here and we drag it over here. So when we keep the pen down, next step is we have to move the pen, yes or no. So how many steps we will move it? The motion we have to take, click the motion. You will get this move code from here. Drag this and put it over here. So it is already there. So I am not putting it again. So now we have to tell this sprite how many steps you have to move. You have to move a 50 step. Not necessary that I have given 50 step, that means you should also give the 50 step. If you want 60, 70, 80, 100, if you want to make a bigger octagon, you can make it. Okay, you can increase the steps. Then after that, after moving 50 steps, you have to turn it 45 degrees. So from here, it will walk 50 steps. So it will draw 50 steps line. Then it will turn to 45 degree. So this is, if you see the protector, if you check the protector and if you mark the 45 degree, so it is, this is the angle of 45 degree. If you see, okay, if you check. So this is the 45 degree. So it is turning 45 degree. Then again we are telling him to move 50 steps. Again it will move 50 steps and it will draw the line. Then again it will move 50, turn it 45 degree. So again it will go. So all these degrees are 45 degrees only. So it will turn for again 50 steps. It will move 50 steps. Again it will turn for 45 degrees. Again it will move 50 steps. Again it will turn to 45 degrees. So how many times we have to turn it? Just check. And how many times we have to move the steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because there are 8 sides for the octagon. We have to move how many steps? 8 times we have to move. Okay. After that we have to pick up the pen. Otherwise what will happen? Extra line will be drawn over here. So no, we don't want any extra. Our work is already done. So we are pick upping the pen. So pen up. Then we have to tell the sprite to go to 0 again and stand over there only. Okay. So we are telling the x to go to sprite to go to x 0 and y 60. So it will be somewhere over here. Okay, then point in direction is also 90. The sprite will stand in a, sorry, okay, wait, huh? Okay, so what we have to do here, it is now we are telling that, now you can see here the sprite is, just see where it is going. It is going above on y-axis up to 60. Here it will be the 60. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to bring this sprite in the center. That's why we have to say y. What y is, it should be 0, then only the sprite will come. Okay, now look here, see, we have given a y is equal to 0, so it will come to this point. Okay, so it will be here. If you cannot see the size, this thing, I'll increase the size of this. Now you can see. Now see, the sprite is in the center. That means it is a y-axis is 0 and y-axis is also 0. Okay, if you see here, can give 0. Here also we can change and we can tell this sprite to be in a center. So it will be 0, 0. So point in direction will be 90. If we change the point in direction, you can see here. Now this is a 90 degree. If we change it, the sprite will move. See the direction of the sprite. It will move like this. So if we have pen in hand, it will draw the line from here. Understood? So he always in a 90 degree position. So we have to give the 10 step if you want, otherwise no need to give. See here, okay, no need to give extra move to the sprite, so it will be remain in the center. So this is our work today's. We are hiding the sprite here. If you want to hide the sprite, you can hide here. Okay, now this is our output octagon. Okay, now what we have to do, students, you have to use this code. Okay, and you have to draw this in a pictoblocks or in a scratch, and you have to send me back because there are the marks for this. Okay, if you send me the reply, if you send me this output of this octagon, then only you will get the marks. Some students are not sending. Okay, so those students, those who are sending me the feedback, I will give the marks to them, otherwise I will not give the marks to other students. Okay, thank you, students.